What the frickety frickle mickle frickle freckle? We got a malfunction? Why'd you go off? Hello? Mr. Smoke Detector? You're not hardwired with the rest of the system, aren't you? So we got... Okay, these are all first alerts. I just saw this. Okay. These are our old systems. This one sounds different than the rest. See, like this one just beeps. Like it's a constant beep. But as you guys just heard in here, this one is a code 3 smoke detector. And I don't understand why it was going off. One here didn't go off. I don't think this one's even alive. This one right here. Right there. I know we have some hardwired smoke detectors. I don't know if all of them are hardwired. Because every time our smoke detectors go off, like we have 3 of these in the house. There's one downstairs. One of them works really well. Like it can detect the smallest amount of smoke and then it'll go off. And it's hardwired with most of the system. But I'm pretty sure this one is broken because whenever I go out close to it, it never beeps. Oh well.